If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, click on the subscribe button below and tap on this bell icon to get notified whenever a new episode is out. And also subscribe to my Hindi channel. The link will be in the description below. Welcome to the CHAPPAN BHOG series of Chef Lall's kitchen, where I will be making more than 100 holy food of Lord Jagannath, also known as Mahaprasad. And today we are going to be making CHENA BADI. So let's get started. So the ingredients you need are: take some fennel seeds, cinnamon stick, cumin seeds, black pepper and black cardamom in a blender and blend to make powder of it, from which we need about a tablespoon of that. Then take half-inch long ginger in a pestle and roughly crush it. Then half a cup of rice flour and half a teaspoon of salt. Then take 4 cups of milk in a pan and set the flame on high and bring that to boil first. Then after that, reduce the flame to medium and to the milk add about 2 teaspoons of lemon juice and wait for a couple of minutes. What that will do, it will make chena or cottage cheese. So in a couple of minutes, you will see something like this. So at this stage, switch off the flame and take a bowl along with a cotton cloth. Place it on top of the bowl and if possible, tie it or make some knots. Then gently pour the cottage cheese or chena on top of it. So the cloth will collect it and the water will go down into the bowl, which we don't need. So once you get all the chena, slowly pour some water on top of it. So it will get rid of the raw lemon flavor. Then take about 1 cup of chena in a bowl and to that add the rice flour, powder, ginger and salt. Combine all of them and knead to make a dough. Then give it rest for at least 15 minutes so the rice flour will soak up the moisture from the chena. And now we will fry them. So for that, take lots of ghee or oil in a pan and set the flame on high. Then take a small portion like this and tightly squeeze it. Now drop them into the hot oil. And we need to fry these until they are golden and crisp. And this should be done. And that's it, one of the Mahaprasad CHENA BADI. So do try this at home and share your experience in the comment section below. If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, click on the subscribe button below and tap on this bell icon to get notified whenever a new episode is out. And also subscribe to my Hindi channel. The link will be in the description below.